Hey guys! Okay, so I'm not really into making YouTube videos or whatever shit you want to call. Um, so I just uploaded a weird video to YouTube. It's called Strange Noises in the Air of VA, Virginia. I am near DC. Um, I'm not really used to making YouTube videos or like talking in them. I just dance. But, you know, um, okay, before this all started, I've seen strange shit on YouTube, A lot of people get top comments by, I'm in the weird part of YouTube again, but that's what I was thinking when I was seeing all these strange noises in different parts of the country, and I looked up my state, and there were actually trumpet sounds heard and microphone or whatever stereos, and I was like, yeah, that's not what I hear. This is a hoax. Somebody's obviously blasting speakers or whatever. And one night I wake up and I hear this booming noise. At first I thought it was either a metro, a helicopter, an earthquake, or construction. Okay, I didn't really do any research. I knew it wasn't an earthquake because earlier in the year we had an earthquake. That was not an earthquake. And I thought it was the metro. Yeah, why would the metro be running late at night? Maybe it's construction. I don't know. And, I kept going through these scenarios and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna record it. And I got mono. And so I got really tired and I was like, yeah, no, never mind. I'm gonna record it. And I fall asleep. Then I was really sad the next day. I didn't hear it again later that day. And I was like, okay. So I told my best friend, I was like, yeah, there's this weird sound in the air. And she's like, what the hell are you talking about? I was like, come on, there's this weird sound in the air. I hear it. And she's like, no, you're crazy. That's paranormal shit. It doesn't exist. I'm like, yeah, okay, well, I'm going to get it on tape and you're not going to think I'm crazy. And so I woke up today is 4/11/2012, and I heard the sound about 12:51, and it stopped again at 1:01, and then it got back up around 1:45ish, and then it's gone. It's gone right now. I don't hear it. But I woke up today, and I was like, of course, when I say I don't hear it, I do. Okay, but anyway, I woke up and I was like, huh, the wind's blowing, and then I hear the boom, 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 boom. I was like, camera time. Well, more like iPhone time, but yeah, so I was really excited. I was making all these hi, my name is Morgan, and I hear this strange noise at 12:51. My window is currently open. No wind. It was kind of like that loser video, but then I ended it and recorded and yeah, I probably have 5 recordings of the sound, and shut up. Ugh. Okay, I probably have 3 voice memos of it. And the voice memos, they're really clear. I'm going to try to get those up later in the day. Okay, but I woke up and I was like, what the hell is that? So, I call the police. I'm like, and they're like, yeah, well, let me go outside. And then over the phone, I can't really hear anything. And yeah, oh, excuse me. And they're like, yeah, that's a strange noise. I'm going to check with Metro Transit. And 5 minutes or 10 minutes later, they call me back and they're like, ma'am, we do not have any construction in your area. We do not have any metro lines running currently. And, that would be it's on the wrong side anyway. So they're like, we don't know. You should try to get some rest, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, yeah, okay, sure. And so I I even woke up my mom. I was just like, you have to hear it. And she's like, can it wait? I'm like, no, it can't. I was actually kind of scared in my first video. I was just like, I was half asleep. I was like, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is that noise? Yeah, I was being pussy. But, it's scary. You know, hearing something in the air that you don't normally hear. I don't hear it right now, but, so I don't know what it is. Yeah. You know, I thought it was a hoax or whatever. No, I just heard it. Holy shit. Like, just to think a couple of months ago, I was watching YouTube videos and saying, yeah, bullshit. And now I'm like, not bullshit. But anyway, I'm probably gonna go because I feel really weird talking on YouTube. What the fuck? No, Hear it, bitch. What the hell is that, please? Oh my god. I actually really don't know what that is. I feel like my camera's sticking out the window. Yeah. Oops. There's no wind right now. Whoa. I don't like this. Oh, damn. I don't like that. What the? Okay, yeah. So it sounds like that. Yeah, my dog hears it too. I don't know if you can see my dog. My dog is kind of freaked out. Strikey, what's that noise? What's that noise, baby? I don't know what it is. But it is pretty fucking loud. Yeah. If you think this is a hoax, fuck you. Because it's not a hoax. And my dog. Great. Great. Great sound. Boom, 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 boom. Let's play Simon Says. Simon Says, boom. No. Just kidding. Probably the aliens are gonna come and get me now. Being like, I don't know. But that's weird. Anyway, I'm gonna go off to bed and try not to get creeped out anymore. I just geeked. Okay. My dog is looking at the window as well because he hears it. My phone is like half out the window. Very nice, Morgan. Very nice. And that is when I end. Shut up, honestly. So, now you know what I'm hearing and how creepy it is, because that's what it is, really. So, oh. It is now about 2:34 a.m. I'm gonna go to bed and hug my dog and hope I don't die.